We are going over NVIDIA here on May 2nd, 2025. Current price is $114, up about 2% today. I am viewing this on the daily chart now, and I do project that we are going to test towards the 200-day moving average within May of 2025. If you want to compare the current price here of 114 all the way to the 200-day moving average, which is right around 125, it is going to be close to a 10% move back up to the top side. And like I said in our previous videos, I do believe anything below 117 is a pretty good buying opportunity all the way down to about 96. That's where I would personally dollar cost average into NVIDIA. You see this orange line right here. If we dip down below 103 at any point, I personally would look to add a bigger position into NVIDIA. And again, I'm talking about long-term perspective here as a long-term investor. You see, we also dipped down to about 86 here for only like 3 days here before we got bought all the way back up. That would have been a really good buying opportunity for a bigger position as well. Personally, I did pick up some at $88, and I mentioned that in our Discord as well. If you haven't joined our Discord yet, it's free to join. We have over 32,000 people and a dedicated chat section for NVIDIA. Link down below, okay? Between 96 and 117 is where I'll be dollar cost averaging. I anticipate this move to the 200-day moving average at 125. Again, 10% move from current prices here. And of course, going into the summer of 2025, I think we are going to get a test closer to 153 a lot sooner than expected. Most of my videos, I was trying to be more lenient that 153 might potentially be tested towards the end of the year. But I do think that 153 could be tested a lot sooner than people are expecting. It's just a matter of time. Once we break above this 200-day moving average, you're going to see a lot more volume and momentum flow back into NVIDIA. A lot of FOMO buyers, people who haven't bought the dollar cost average down here, they're most likely going to be adding above 117. And again, personally, I don't mind adding above 117, but I much prefer, adding down here during the dip than chasing up during the rally. So I know some people are probably waiting for a confirmation, and what's the point of investing if you're not going to take some risk, right? So I really think the best time to be adding into NVIDIA, or in terms of taking risk, is when it's down low, right? Below the 200-day moving average, between a range of entry that I personally would like. That's going to be 117 and 96. Not looking to time the bottom, just have a preferable price range of entry. And again, I am anticipating that all-time high to be retested, and the 200-day moving average at 125 here to be tested within May of 2025. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments and what your predictions are for NVIDIA, what you are doing at these current prices. Are you buying, selling? Are you holding? And what's your cost average for your NVIDIA shares? If you want to share with us, let us know down below in the comments. And if you haven't already, I highly recommend joining our Discord. Again, link down below in the description. Over 32,000 people and free to join. If you are looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, then check out our Patreon link, second link down below. It's going to be optional, but you can join Patreon, again, for live entries and exits on stocks and options. VIP channels on the Discord are going to be unlocked. And I think we only have a couple of spots left, so check out the Patreon link down below. See if we have any open spots available with our 90% off permanent discount promotion right now. All tiers are discounted, so give that a look, and we'll see you in the next video for NVIDIA stock.